Welcome to the enchanting northeastern state of Sikkim, a landlocked Indian state nestled amidst the Himalayas. Here, where towering snow-capped peaks pierce the sky and lush valleys embrace ancient traditions, we find ourselves drawn to the remote and captivating villages of Lachung and Lachen. Today, our journey takes us through these picturesque settlements where time seems to flow at a different pace. We'll witness the daily rhythms of life, experience the warmth of the local people, and immerse ourselves in the breathtaking natural beauty that surrounds them. Our destination lies at the end of a winding road, high in the alpine meadows, where the sacred waters of Gurudongmar Lake shimmer beneath a sky of the deepest blue. So join me as we venture into the heart of Sikkim, exploring the hidden gems of Lachung and Lachen and standing in awe before the majestic Gurudongmar Lake. Our journey begins in Lachung, a village that seems to have sprung from the very pages of a fairy tale. Encircled by towering mountains and carpeted in emerald green fields, Lachung is a sight to behold. The air here is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and rhododendron, a fragrant welcome for weary travelers. The houses of Lachung, built in the traditional Tibetan style, cling to the hillsides, their brightly painted windows offering glimpses into the lives of the villagers. We see women in colourful shawls tending to their gardens, their hands moving with practiced ease as they cultivate vegetables and herbs. The heart of Lachung is its monastery, a place of peace and tranquility. Monks in maroon robes move silently through the courtyards, their chants echoing through the crisp mountain air. Prayer flags flutter in the breeze, carrying wishes and blessings to the heavens. The Lachung Chu River, its waters a glacial turquoise, roars through the valley, its banks lined with prayer wheels that spin with a gentle hum. It's a symphony of nature and spirituality, a testament to the deep connection between the people and their environment. Taking a moment to observe, one can't help but be captivated by the vibrant colors of Lachung. The bright hues of the prayer flags contrast beautifully with the deep green of the surrounding forests, creating a tapestry that is both stunning and serene. But Lachung is more than just a pretty picture. It is a living, breathing community where ancient traditions are kept alive and passed down through generations. We see this in the intricate hand-woven carpets, the delicate thangka paintings, and the warm hospitality of the locals. As we wander through the narrow lanes, we are greeted with smiles and offers of tea. We accept, eager to learn more about the people who call this place home. Over steaming cups of butter tea, we hear stories of their lives, their hopes and their dreams. The children of Lachung, their faces bright with curiosity, gather around us, eager to practice their English. Their laughter echoing through the valley is a reminder of the simple joys of life. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valley, we make our way to a vantage point overlooking the village. From here, we can truly appreciate the beauty of Lachung. The houses, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, seem to twinkle like stars scattered across the hillside. The river, now a ribbon of gold, snakes its way through the valley, reflecting the colors of the sky. Lachung, a place where time seems to stand still, is a reminder of the beauty that can be found in simplicity. It is a place where nature and culture are intertwined, where the past and the present coexist in harmony. As we bid farewell to this enchanting village, we carry with us the memories of its beauty, its warmth, and its spirit. Our journey continues northward, higher into the Himalayas, as we make our way to Lachen, a village that embodies the true spirit of the mountains. Here, at an altitude where the air is thin and the skies are a deeper shade of blue, we find a place of profound peace and tranquility. Lachen, meaning Big Pass, lives up to its name, as it serves as the gateway to some of Sikkim's most awe-inspiring landscapes. Surrounded by towering peaks, rhododendron forests, and cascading waterfalls, it's a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. As we enter the village, we are greeted by the sight of yaks grazing peacefully in the meadows, their shaggy coats blending seamlessly with the rugged terrain. The air is filled with the sound of their bells, a soothing melody that echoes through the mountains. Life in Lachen is characterized by a deep respect for nature and a strong sense of community. The villagers, mostly farmers and herders, live in harmony with their surroundings, their lives dictated by the rhythms of the seasons. We see this connection to the land in everything from the traditional farming techniques to the local cuisine, which features ingredients sourced directly from the surrounding forests and fields. One of the most striking things about Lachen is its architecture. The houses, built of wood and stone, are designed to withstand the harsh mountain climate. Their colorful facades, adorned with intricate carvings and paintings, add a touch of vibrancy to the otherwise stark landscape. The Lachen monastery, perched on a hilltop overlooking the village, is a beacon of spirituality. We ascend the stone steps, our breath catching in the thin air, and are rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks. Inside the monastery, we find ourselves enveloped in an atmosphere of peace and reverence. The air is thick with the scent of incense, and the walls are adorned with colorful murals depicting scenes from Buddhist mythology. As we sit in quiet contemplation, listening to the monks chanting their prayers, we can't help but feel a sense of connection to something larger than ourselves. Lachen is a place where you can truly disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with yourself. The pace of life here is slow and deliberate, allowing ample time for reflection and introspection. Whether we're hiking through rhododendron forests, sharing a meal with a local family, or simply gazing up at the star-studded sky, we find ourselves drawn into the rhythm of Lachen, a rhythm that is both calming and invigorating. As we prepare to leave this tranquil haven, we know that we will carry a piece of Lachen with us long after we've left its pristine valleys. It is a place that has touched our souls, reminding us of the power of nature, the importance of community, and the simple beauty of life lived in harmony with the world around us. Our journey takes us from the village of Lachen to Gurudongmar Lake, one of the highest lakes in the world and a site of profound religious significance. As we ascend higher into the Himalayas, the landscape transforms before our eyes. The lush green valleys give way to rugged, barren terrain, painted in hues of ochre, brown and grey. The air grows thinner, colder, and the silence of the mountains envelops us. The road to Gurudongmar is not for the faint of heart. It winds its way precariously along cliff edges, offering breathtaking views of the Himalayas. We pass alongside frozen waterfalls, their icy tendrils reaching down from the peaks above. Prayer flags flutter in the wind, their colors vibrant against the stark landscape. As we reach Gurudongmar Lake, situated at over 17,000 feet, we are greeted by a sight that takes our breath away. The lake, a sheet of turquoise blue, shimmers in the sunlight, surrounded by snow-capped peaks. We stand in awe, humbled by the immensity of nature and the power of something far greater than ourselves. Pilgrims, some having traveled for days, brave the harsh conditions to offer their prayers and seek blessings. Legend has it that Guru Padmasambhava touched the lake in the 8th century, making a portion of it remain unfrozen throughout the year. There is a palpable sense of faith and reverence here, a belief that transcends language and culture. The silence of Gurudongmar is profound, broken only by the wind and the fluttering of prayer flags. The world seems to fade away, leaving us with a profound sense of awe and wonder. The journey to Gurudongmar Lake is a reminder of the power of nature, the importance of faith, and the enduring human spirit. Gurudongmar Lake, a place where the earth meets the heavens, will forever hold a special place in our hearts. As our journey through the enchanting villages of Sikkim comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of gratitude for having witnessed the beauty, spirituality, and resilience of this remarkable region. From the lush valleys of Lachung to the tranquil heights of Lachen and the sacred shores of Gurudongmar Lake, Sikkim has captivated our senses and touched our souls. We hope that this glimpse into the heart of the Himalayas has inspired you to seek out the beauty and wonder that exists in every corner of our planet. Let us remember the importance of preserving these pristine environments and honoring the cultures and traditions that have thrived here for centuries. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through Sikkim, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking documentaries. Until next time, keep exploring.